This is Charlie from Fightfast. We got self-defense moves. Let's get right into it.
So one of the things we're going to do with our elbow strikes now, when we're from this position, I'm going to teach you a little trick with an elbow. I'm going to show it from this angle, then we're going to reverse the angle. But from here, once I've been effective in my initial stopping, I want you to take your elbow and drop it straight across his face, right across his jaw. At the same time, blocking everything from this side of your face. And even if he's trying to get in here to me, I can block him out or whatever. But it's going to go really fast. So when I hit here, come in, just across the face, he's going to recover and I'm going to come right back. So it's going to go bang, bang. Remember the hammer fist? We're going to throw it horizontally now. So it's going to be pop, pop, bang. It's 3 punches. 1, 2, 3. That fast. And then, boom, you're going to come with the other elbow, right? Okay. So typically, I'm going to turn Roger around because I'm right-handed. I was just working left-handed for a second. All right? What I want to do is he's going to come up for a second. He's going to try to push and punch. If I'm not ready, this is not what you want to do. I'm on my heels. I'm just throwing my hands up to protect myself, right? Not good. And he's going to keep on coming. I'm in trouble already. That's not what you got to do. But when he comes in, and I want to meet him. I want to spring back. And I've already cut off this punch, all right? And from here, change my angle just a little bit. From right here, guys, when he starts his punching, I'm going to take this elbow that's already underneath his chin, bang, and I'm going to hit him with it. Then I'm going to hit him with it again. And then I'm going to hit him with a hammer fist right across the face.
Hey guys, I'm jumping in here real fast. I want to give you some free videos. Go check out the description. We got a link to our free Fight Enders video. It's totally free. In that video, you'll get trained by martial artists, Green Berets, Black Ops, a whole bunch of specialists in the military and martial artists. The video is totally free. The link's in the description. Go check it out. Back to the video.
Right? So this is what we're going to do. Now, one thing I'm doing throughout these series, I'm dropping this hand. I'm dropping it so I can talk to you. If this is real and he comes in, I'm two blocking in here. Bang, I've already got, y'all may not have seen that. I already got the first 2 elbows in. All I got to do now is just bang, just catch him with that, and then come back across over top. And then keep punching. Remember, you keep punching, guys, until they are no longer a threat. Work with me on that. It works. So I'm gonna do the same thing with Roger. Roger, step over here. I'm gonna do the same thing with Roger here. You know, I want to push him and I want to punch him. So I'm gonna start my drill just a little bit slow. He has to break what? He has to disrupt my thoughts. My thoughts are, I'm gonna walk up and just beat his butt. That's kind of a broken play right there. It was natural because I wasn't expecting him to do that at all. If he's grabbing me at the same time, he's going to keep me in the game. I'm like, see, I'm already, just the idea that this is happening, even if I can reach his head, he's blocking my power, guys. There's no real power in here. See that? And look where his elbow is sitting, right off my chin. I'm working. I'm trying to get over there and punch him. That's what you do. You get pissed off. And all of a sudden, he's like cracking my jaw here, cracking my jaw there, and then hammer fisting me. And then bringing on another elbow. But he's not going to lean with that elbow. He's so good at it. All right. Right? So we want to start a little bit light till we start flowing with our movement. So I'm going to push, punch. And I'm going to just reach over and slap the top of his head if I can. If he's blocking effectively, good. Push, punch, good. And now shoot the elbow across, elbow back, and hammer fist back. It's quick. It's bang, bang, bang. If you listen to his hand maybe, if I'm doing this, it's real quick. It's okay. It's bang, right? Hold him right like this. It's just like this. So you get 3 punches. 1, 2, 3.
Thanks for watching our video lessons here at TRS Direct. Hit the like button down below and consider subscribing to our channel here on YouTube. Hit the bell icon and we'll send you a notification when there's a new lesson available. Thanks again for watching.